fifth standard SST class. Yes. Now today we have completed 3 lessons. Yes, children. The first lesson was the mapping, the model of the earth. The second lesson is the mapping of the earth, and third lesson is the climate lesson. I think you have done this work. You have completed your fair, I think. Yes. And also you have started learning the question answers. Yes. Yes. When there are only one, which lesson I give on that day, only you try to read and learn the question answers. That is easy for you to learn and write. Yes. Next. Today I will take fourth lesson. That is equatorial rainforest. Yes. Yeah? In the climate lesson we learned that there are 4 types of climates. Yes. And which climate is hot, which climate is cold, that all we learned. Now let us know about the rainforest, forest region, and how many types of forests are there, and what is special about this equatorial rainforest. Yes. Is there a forest in your state? Yes, there is a forest in your state. In state ಒಳಗೆ forest ಐತೇನೆ ಐತೇನೆ ದಾಂಡೇಲಿ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಐತಿ ಹೌದಾ ಆ ಕಡೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಸೈಡ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಬನ್ನೇರುಘಟ್ಟ ಐತಿ ಎಸ್ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅದಾವ ಈ ಗದಗ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೂ ಐತಿ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸೊ what is its name? Yes, ಅದರ ಹೆಸರು ಬರೀ ಅಂತ ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಸಮೀಪ ಯಾವುದೈತಿ ದಾಂಡೇಲಿ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಿಯರ್ ಟು us. Name to animals and plants that are found in the forest. He is telling you to write the names of the animals which are found in forest. Yeah, animals adava. Which animals do you find in forest? You find a lion, tiger. Okay, I think you have gone to Dandeli forest. So what animals did you see on the way? Write that names of the 2 animals. And plants. Which plants do you find? Plants. You don't find plants. You find many trees. Big trees. Yes. Yes. You can write name of the 2 trees. Yes. Now let us start the lesson. Equatorial rainforest. A forest is a large area of land covered with mainly with trees and undergrowth. Forest can be divided into 4 major bases. Is here what is telling? What is a forest area? Forest area is a land covered with so many trees. Yes, that because it is covered with trees, we can't see the ground, or we can't find sunlight falling on the ground. ಅಷ್ಟು thick forest ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಸನ್ಲೈಟ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕೆಳಗೆ ನೆಲದ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಣಿಸೋಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ನಾಗ ಅಷ್ಟು ಗಿಡಗಳು ಸಮೀಪ thick forest ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಎಸ್ ನಾವು ಈ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಇಂಟು 4 ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ ಇರ್ತಾವಂತ 4 ಥರ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್. ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 4 ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್. What are they? Let us see here. First one is the evergreen forest. Here what is happening in this evergreen forest? Here evergreen forest, this forest is always green in color. There is no shedding of leaves. Always the trees are green because there is more rainfall there. So these plants are always evergreen. Yes, this type of forest is called the evergreen forest. Next comes the coniferous forest. Coniferous forest. Another type is coniferous forest. Now third one is the deciduous forest. D-E-C-I-D-U-O-U-S. Deciduous forest. This is another type of forest. This next type of forest is a mixed forest. Mixed forest. Here this forest is mixed by 1 or 2 of them. So it is called the mixed forest. So I told you evergreen forest is always green in color. Now let us learn more about equatorial rainforest or evergreen forest. So this evergreen forest, it is also called as the equatorial rainforest region. It is also called the equatorial rainforest region. So evergreen forest ಎಲ್ಲದವಲ್ಲ ಆ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ equatorial rain forest. Equatorial ಅಂತ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂತು? Because they are nearing to the equator. As I told you, there is our earth is a model of the earth. On that earth there is a imaginary line drawn on the globe that is called the equator. In the center this is the north pole and this is the south pole, and the regions here nearing to this equator are called, and the forest here present in this region, they are called the equatorial rainforest region. Got it? Yes. Equatorial rainforests are found in the regions having more warmth and sunlight here, because I told you in the first lesson, the sun rays is directly falling here, so it is very hot, warm, and sunlight is direct on that in this region. Yes. Most of these forests are located close to equator. Yes, they are very close to equator. The trees are evergreen. The trees are evergreen. Always they are green throughout the year. They grow and flower all through the year. Rainforests are rich in plants and animal life. So these forests, the rainforest, the evergreen forest or the equatorial rainforest, they are always green in color, and there are always flowers on the trees, and it is very rich in plants and animals, because thick forest is there, animals get shelter. So this region has a thick plants and animals. Now let us study about the Democratic Republic of Congo. Earlier it Zaire as a representative country from the equatorial region. So now we are talking about a country called, continent, that is African continent. Yes, now we are talking about the African continent, where there is this equatorial evergreen forest or the equatorial rainforest is there. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ Africa country ಇದಲ್ಲ, ಅದು it is very close to equator. It is very close to equator. So there the climate is the evergreen climate of the equatorial rainforest. So that region, that is in South Africa, this part is called this part which is shown in the map here, this yellow color picture area, this is called the Democratic Republic of Congo. What is it called? Democratic Republic of the Congo. Okay, it is also called in short form, they are using here DR Congo. What they are using here, short form naga, they are using DR Congo here. This DR Congo is located in the Central Africa. This area, which is the Democratic Republic of Congo, this area is located on the in the center of the globe. On the center of the globe, it is the third largest country of Africa. Asia naga so many countries adava, like India, Pakistan, so many countries are there. Hanga African countries naga Congo country is a very popular country, and it is having this type of forest, and it is very near to the equator. Okay, so it is the third largest continent of Africa. It is the third largest country of the Africa. It lies both to the north and south. As I told you, it is here. So it is lying on the north part and also in the south part. Yes. Its border are by Republic of Congo to the west and the Central Africa Republic to the South Sudan. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅದರ boundaries ಏನದಾವ, ಮ್ಯಾಗ South Sudan ಐತಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ South Sudan ಐತಿ, down it is having the Democratic Republic of Congo. The Central Africa Republic and South Sudan are to the north of Congo. So here Democratic Congo, half part is in the northern hemisphere, where there is Sudan. Yes, South Sudan, here it is there, South Sudan is there, this side. Yes, and are to the north, and DR Congo, Uganda, Rwanda, the Burundi, and the Tanzania are to the east, and the Zimbabwe and Angola are to the south. Now you do this map and you locate these places where they are. These are all places in this Congo, Democratic Republic of Congo. You can locate the places. Then you can see that there is a equator line here, and which countries are coming on the top in the northern part and which countries are coming in the southern part. You can locate them. Now, what is about the climate? How is the climate in this evergreen forest or the equatorial rainforest region? Climate, as DR Congo is situated on both the sides of equator, it experiences hot and humid climate. So, because it is near to the equator, it is facing a hot and humid climate, and it is also having plenty of rainfall. The mornings are pleasant with bright sunshine. Midday is extremely hot while the afternoons are coldy, there is usually heavy rain in the evening. So here in this region, in this Democratic Congo, Republic Congo region, what is happening here? The day is of 4 type of climate changes 4 times. Like morning it is pleasant. Morning first bislirangla. Afternoon it is very hot. Evening it is cloudy, and at night it starts raining. See, it is a very typical type of climate. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಪ್ಲೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದಂತೆ, ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಹಾಟ್ ಸಮ್ಮರ್ ಹಾಟ್ ಸನ್ ಇರ್ತದಂತೆ, ಸಂಜೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಕ್ಲೌಡಿ, ನೈಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಫುಲ್ಲಿ ರೈನ್. ಸೊ East and Southeast DR Congo are made up of plateaus and the mountains. So this side to the east part of the this country, there are mountains and plateaus regions. To the eastern side here near the eastern side of this Democratic Republic of Congo, they are having plateau region and mountain region, making the climate more moderating. So however, the most of the DR Congo remains hot and humid throughout the year. So here the climate is hot throughout the year. In recent times, the climate has become drier in this region. This is because of the feeling of trees in the rainforest region. So now slowly what happened? Here the climate became more hot. Why? Because people are cutting down the forest region. So it is becoming hot, or it is becoming dry. The area is becoming dry. Okay. So what about the vegetation? Vegetation of this Congo, of this evergreen forest. Yes, that when we will learn in the next class. Now today's homework is children read the lesson, write the new words, search them. Democratic Congo, representative country, equatorial region. You can write this evergreen forest, coniferous forest, deciduous forest, mixed forest. These all hard words you write in your book. You write also these questions and answer them. You can do by your own. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಓನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರಿಬೋದು ಇವು. ಟು ಆ್ಯನಿಮಲ್ಸು, ಟು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಎಲ್ಲೈತಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ, ಮತ್ತು ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್. ಎಸ್, ದಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಯು ಡೂ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಡ್ರಾ ದಿಸ್ Democratic Republic of Congo. This map you draw in your book and identify the places here. Write the names, then you will know which place is where. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಮಿಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಐತಂತ, ಯುಗಾಂಡ ಎಲ್ಲೈತಂತ. ಸೊ ಸರ್ಚ್ and write the places, so you can get map pointing easily. Yes, do this work children, and underline the hard words and write in your notebook. Okay, thank you.